Mm. Hi everyone, my name is Sanat Popli and I am a teaching assistant for Info 7390, that is Advanced Data Science and Architecture under Professor Nick Brown. So this is the episode 2 of the series Learn Data Science, and the topic of this episode 2 is that is counterfactual thinking and potential outcomes. Our first episode was all about difference between correlation and causality. So now let's talk about counterfactual thinking. Like today we'll go one further step, like how do we formally think about causality? The answer lies in the counterfactual and the potential outcome framework. Let's talk about the counterfactual thinking. What would have happened if things were different? That's what causality asks. For example, did a new training program improve employee productivity, or would they have improved anyway? This is the counterfactual question, comparing the world we observe to the world we don't. So, let's talk about potential outcome framework, that is Rubin causal model. For each individual I, there are two possible outcomes. That is YI1, that is outcome if treated. Like if they are given the treatment, or they are given the training, like the employees are given the training. YI0, that is if he is or she is not given any treatment, or we can say the training. So outcome if not treated. So the individual treatment effect is YI1 minus YI0. And the problem is we never see both outcomes for the same person. The fundamental problem of causal inference. Yeah. So let's talk about average treatment effect. That is just the average of the treatment effect. So basically, it's E is refers to the average of the incidents, and that is Y1 minus Y0. So this measures the average causal effect across a population, like the whole office staff, the the faculty, the students. We can like say like these are the population. Let's take a example. Imagine a new drug trial. If a patient take a drug, we see Y1, and if he or she won't take any drug, that is Y0. We never see both for the same patient. That's why we need experiments or statistical methods to estimate causal effects. The key takeaways from today's episode is counterfactuals are the foundation of causal inferences. The potential outcome models formalizes the idea with Y1 and Y0. The challenges, like we can never observe both outcomes, motivates experiment matching and other causal effects. So, yeah, this is the episode 2 of the series Learn Data Science. So, we'll meet in the next episode that is all about the randomized controlled trial, that is the gold standard for estimating causal effects. Thank you and have a nice day.